Whenever I watch a video that claims to teach me how to make money online fast without a website, they end up promising me access to a powerful system that is designed to do all the work for me, and I will just sit back and earn passive income. This video is not one of those, because what I'm about to teach you will require that you put in the time and effort that it takes to make you money. So I'm not promising you anything here, since I don't know the amount of time that you are going to put into this. But if you are ready to do whatever it takes, you will make money online working from home. And before I get into the video, I want to remind you that you can at any time go in the description of this video and use the link that is showing right now on the screen to download my new affiliate guide to 6 figures a year. It's free, short, and simple. And I will be right back. Hey, my name is VK from Will Village Media. I'm a YouTuber, an email marketer, and a traffic generation expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you what it takes to make money with affiliate marketing in today's economy. And I also want to share with you my story. The journey I took to become a successful online business owner really started in 2017. That's the year I became more serious about this. Before that period, I spent a couple years doing e-commerce, selling physical products on Shopify, drop shipping from China. I was able to make between $7,000 and $10,000 in profit in a year with it, which is not bad for a beginner, but the workload was too much, like ordering products, dealing with returns and refunds, customer service, and answering emails saying something like, "Where the F is my package?" And in spite of all that, the profit margin was too low, about 10%, and I ended up giving up. After my failure in Shopify, I went into affiliate marketing. I was introduced to it by a company called AWOL Academy, known today as Full Stack Marketer. In early 2018, I found Anthony Morrison from Morrison Education Online and joined a few of his programs where he taught me how to combine affiliate marketing and email marketing for a maximum result. I learned a lot from him, but was still looking for the shiny object that will make me rich overnight, which obviously does not exist. And because I never stopped learning, I later joined a company called Legendary Marketer by Dave Sharpe in mid-2018, where I was introduced to high-ticket affiliate offer strategies that can help make $2,000 a week with just 2 sales. They don't focus that much on email marketing, but they taught me how to use Facebook ads and YouTube ads to get more eyeballs on my offers. I will admit that it wasn't quite easy to work with Facebook. You will see them shut down your ads, take down your Facebook pages, or putting you in Facebook jail. With my continuous search for the next big thing, I ended up meeting Igor Keifet, who's an email marketer, traffic generation expert, someone I usually call a traffic god. I learned a lot from him and became very passionate about list building. All those 3 knowledge sources combined did nothing but help me be successful with affiliate marketing. I specifically learned from Igor what affiliate offers to promote in today's economy, what traffic sources to use for affiliate marketing, how to start profitably if you are brand new, how to skip the guesswork and promote multiple offers at the same time, why you should stop promoting typical ClickBank products, and how to get approved to promote the best affiliate offers, most of the time hidden from the public. And I was doing all this while building my email list, which is an important step in the process if you want to be successful with your online business. Today, I built my email list to a point where I'm allowing other affiliate marketers to promote their offers to my email list, and I'm getting paid doing that. That's what we call solo ad, and willvillageschool.com is the website where all the magic happens. Today, all three, Anthony Morrison from the PWA program, Dave Sharpe from Legendary Marketer, and Igor Keifet from List Building Lifestyle Club. They are all doing daily and weekly training that I still attend. And this to learn those new things they are using to keep making the difference. I'm happy and thankful that today I got to a point where I wrote a new affiliate guide to 6 figures a year and share with you step by step how to set up your affiliate marketing business in just 24 hours. It doesn't matter if you are a total newbie or doesn't have any technical knowledge. It will still work for you. Go get your free copy at willvillagemedia.com/get free book. Also, all the training I took are still there. Those from the Partner with Anthony program, those from Legendary Marketer, and those from the List Building Lifestyle Club, they are all there. So instead of creating my own courses, I partnered with them to give you access to a world-class training in affiliate marketing and email traffic generation. Go to videgla.com/join right now to see all the programs I recommend if you want to make money online working from home. There's also a free training taking place in a few hours by Igor Keifet, and you can register now by going to videgla.com. It's free. Go there now, register, and tell him I sent you. If you join any of the programs mentioned on videgla.com/join and are looking for high quality traffic to promote your offers, I will be waiting for you on my website, willvillageschool.com. Just come over, and I promise you will not regret taking that decision. Oh, before I forget, I always leave all the links I mentioned in my videos in the description to help you upgrade your life and 10x your income. Go check them out. And if you like this video and would like to see more of it, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, share this video with your friends and family. I really appreciate your time. My name is VK from Will Village Media, and I will see you in a few seconds in the next video.